Breastfeeding causes dental cavities, or does it? Now, when an infant or a toddler commonly presents to a pediatric dental clinic with decay or with caries, the mother is commonly asked history about feeding and is advised to stop breastfeeding. But now let us learn the whole truth behind this. Now, a mother's milk does contain natural sugars. It is called as lactose. About 7% of lactose is present. But at the same time, it also has a lot of protective factors like antibodies and enzymes, which can actually protect the child against harmful bacteria. So, what is it exactly that causes the decay process when you're breastfeeding your child? So, there are three things that actually cause this. The first is improper oral hygiene maintenance. The second, the teeth have already come into your child's mouth. And third, frequent nighttime feeds. So now what actually happens is when your child falls asleep while taking a feed, the salivary flow drops down. That causes the milk to stay for a longer time on the teeth. Eventually, the bacteria in the mouth are going to work on this milk. There's going to be acid production, and it is this that actually causes the decay starting from your child's front upper four teeth. Now, as per the present guidelines, you exclusively breastfeed the child for the first 6 months. Then you continue breastfeeding up to 1 year or beyond based on the mother and the child desires. Now, from a dental perspective, if you continue your breastfeeding journey, you will have to lay emphasis on oral hygiene maintenance. Now, few tips and tricks that I would like to tell you is you need to initiate by starting cleaning of gum pads right after birth. Now, after your child gets teeth and you are breastfeeding the child, especially when the child is falling asleep, you need to brush. You need to brush your child's teeth nicely twice a day. Brushing has to be a norm, the last thing before your child falls asleep. Even if your child falls asleep when he's taking a feed, ensure that you clean the teeth. Now, for all this guidance, you need to approach your nearest pediatric dentist. So, it is not breastfeeding or breast milk per se that causes early childhood caries. It is the milk that is left onto the teeth because of improper brushing practices and oral hygiene maintenance that causes the problem.